We are going to review top 5 best keyboard for typing. Let's get started. List number 1. Azio Large Print Keyboard. The Azio Vision stands apart from the crowd thanks to its large print keys and customizable backlighting. Naturally, this model boasts incredible visibility and is a great choice for kids and folks with poor eyesight. The design is exceptionally ergonomic thanks to the built-in palm rest and 5-foot extended cable, and the plug-and-play design makes setup and use a breeze. Built-in palm rest. Attractive black design. Large print characters for better visibility. Large print keys to reduce eye strain and promote productivity. 4x larger than conventional computer keyboards. Customize the look of your Azio backlit keyboard with 3 color of LED selections. Select between red, blue. List number 2. Rosewill Gaming Keyboard. The Rosewill Neon K51 hybrid keyboard exceeds expectations thanks to its innovative mechanical switches that combine tactility with ultra-fast responsiveness. It offers a detachable palm rest that provides exceptional comfort over prolonged periods, as well as on-the-fly multimedia controls for quick access to your favorite shortcuts. In terms of style, the 8-color built-in LEDs will light up your desk for next-level aesthetics. 8 color options. Detachable wrist rest. On-the-fly multimedia controls. RGB gaming keyboards. Hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard with RGB backlit LED effects to deliver the extremely gaming experience and with the RGB LED bar at the side. List number 3. Razer or Naga Expert. The Razer or Naga Expert is marketed as a gaming keyboard, and it certainly performs in that arena. However, it's also one of the best overall mechanical keyboards for typing thanks to the innovative mecha membrane switches that feature crisp tactile action combined with soft membrane domes. The keycaps themselves are positioned mid-height, and your hands rest perfectly over the board thanks to the leatherette magnetic rest. As for extra features, 10-key rollover, anti-ghosting, and individual key backlighting round out this exceptional board. Ergonomic wrist rest. Soft rubber dome keys. 10-key rollover and anti-ghosting. List number 4. Techwear Phantom 87-key mechanical keyboard. If you're looking for an excellent multi-purpose keyboard that's perfect for gaming, writing, and office work, the Techwear Phantom is just the ticket. This 87-key mechanical keyboard features top-notch Atomos switches for excellent responsiveness, and double-shot keycaps for exceptional wear protection and comfort. Best of all? You've got a major speed advantage thanks to full key rollover and a 1000 Hz polling rate. Braided USB cable. Double-shot floating keycaps. Sleek black design W/LED backlighting. Enhance your gaming experience with 18 preset configurations on the mechanical keyboard, or create a unique one to match your setup. List number 5. Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard for Business. The Microsoft Sculpt is quite possibly the best office keyboard on our list thanks to its ergonomic form factor and range of convenience-oriented features. The keyboard boasts a split key set that positions the wrists and forearms in their natural positions, minimizing fatigue and reducing the risk of injury several-fold. Moreover, the cushioned palm rest supports your wrists while positioning your fingers directly over the 87-key layout. This model also comes with a separate Bluetooth 10-key unit for gaming macros and/or business activities. Cushioned palm rest. Ergonomic split key set. Dedicated 10-key numpad. Ergonomic split